Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video demonstration for you that will show you how to add a logo to the header of your Squarespace site. Okay, so how to get an image up in the header. It can be any image, it doesn't have to be a logo. Just before I get into that, I want to mention that there's a link in the description to this video which will take you to a free trial version of Squarespace. So if you want to give this a go for free, and if you want to access it for no obligations, then you can just click that link and that'll take you straight there. Okay, so to do this, you need to be in the editing mode of your website, which as you can see, I'm in here. And then if you like hover over the area where the header is, you'll see that you get this edit site header button appear here. Okay, so obviously you've got to have a header in your site for this to occur, and then you'll hit that little button. And then you've got here site title and logo. Okay, so that'll then apply this to the whole site. Okay, so you don't have to do this per page. You can see that we've got a 20 megabyte limit on that logo, so make sure that you check your image before you upload it. You can also go from the library, and you know, if you've got sort of stuff in the Squarespace library already, or you can upload an image directly from your computer right there. So all you need to do then is obviously navigate to an image that you want to add as your logo, and as you can see, I've just got a test one here for you, just for this simple tutorial today, just so you can have a look at it. Should take a second to upload and process. As you can see, that's doing it there. And you've also then got these two sliders where, as you can see, it's appeared now in the top left. You can modify the position of it a little as well, and the size of it, obviously. So you've got height there, and then the max height there as well, and that's obviously for mobile version. Okay, so you can add a separate logo for mobile as well if you want. As you can see, it says you can upload a unique mobile logo. If it's empty, the mobile logo will default to the original. Okay, so if you don't upload a mobile logo, it's just gonna take that one there. And obviously you've got the size of that control there as well. Okay, if you hit those three little dots, if you need to remove it, you can delete it right there, and you can also replace it with another one there as well. So as you can see, I can scale that up and down, and the header is kind of scaling alongside it like that. So really the only thing to watch out for is that it's a 20 megabyte limit, so you may need to re-encode the or reformat the image if to a smaller file type or something like that. That's the only problem you may have. And that concludes our video tutorial. So like I mentioned earlier, there's a link in the description for this video for a free trial version of Squarespace if you want to give it a go. And if you enjoyed that and you like more of this content, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any requests for future videos or anything specific you need to know, then leave that as a comment down below. Thank you very much.